Hey guys, I'm Aurora. Welcome back to Forest Strategies Resources YouTube channel. I want to remind you that every day on our YouTube channel we do live broadcasts. Our program is as follows. From Monday to Friday we do live Forex, while on weekends we do live on crypto. Please follow us. In this video, I will show you X4X Simple, that is a classic trend momentum strategy with two configurations. The first for the lateral phases, therefore with more accentuation of the momentum signals. The second for trending markets. There are two indicators, arrow and zone. Arrows are producing signals. The indicator zone is a filter to reduce the number of fake signals. The settings of each indicator can be changeable for different charts. Type of strategy, day trading and swing trading. Style, trend momentum. Time frame, 50 minutes or higher. Currency pairs, major, minor, indices and commodities. Trading rules X for a simple strategy. If a signal appears in the yellow zone, it is considered to enter a position. Yellow zone indicator is a tool which generally minimizes fake signals. We will also use simple moving average 33 for the trend market. It is up to you to change the value of moving average when monitoring different charts. How to enter by position. Blue arrow should appear in the yellow zone. Blue arrow should be above moving average. How to exit by position. Opposite arrow red. The candle closing below moving average. How to enter sell position. Red arrow should appear in the yellow zone. Red arrow should be below moving average. How to exit sell position. Opposite arrow blue. The candle closing above moving average. Setting arrow indicator. The indicator arrow includes two types of settings for trend market and the ranging sideways market. Settings 1 and setting 2 are related to the sideways market. Setting 3, setting 4 and setting 5 are the settings for the trend market. That generally shows swing trading points. If you want to disable one of them, just set the whole settings to 0, null. Here are the examples regarding how to change the settings as you wish. If you want to monitor the sideways market, ranging market, change the settings as shown below. In the following image, I will show you the setup arrow indicator ranging market. In the following image, I will show you the setting arrow indicator trend and the ranging. In the following video, I will show you the visual backtest. Examples of traits. So, if you're enjoying the content of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us also on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!